At this very moment, all around the world, people are experiencing all kinds of weather. People are also experiencing climate, which is related to the weather, but there's an important difference. That difference is really just a matter of time. Weather happens day to day, even hour to hour, and is still pretty unpredictable. Climate happens over longer periods of time, 30 years and longer, and is usually predictable. In a nutshell, climate can be described as the average weather over time. Here's how climate works. When energy from the sun interacts with the atmosphere, oceans, land, ice, clouds, and living things on Earth, it creates the climate. These interactions are complex, and they don't happen the same way all over the planet. That's why different parts of the Earth have different climates. For example, many parts of Utah have warm, dry summers and cold, mostly sunny winters with a few big snowstorms. Meanwhile, a place like Thailand is hot and humid year-round, with periods of heavy rain, called monsoons. But the Earth's climate is now changing. You may hear your grandparents talk about snow piled up to their waists when they were kids, or being able to ski later in the year than they can now. People are also noting that spring is coming earlier and weather seems to be more extreme all over the world. Over the whole history of the Earth, about 4.6 billion years, the climate has actually changed many times. For example, the entire planet was covered with ice at one point. There have also been times when there wasn't any ice at all. The important thing for life on Earth, though, is that these big climate changes have always happened gradually, over many thousands or even millions of years. That has given plants, animals, and people plenty of time to adapt to these changes. But here's the thing. Scientists who carefully study today's climate have noticed something out of the ordinary happening. The Earth's climate is now changing faster than it ever has before, and living things can't adapt that fast. The reason is simple. The Earth is rapidly warming up. Scientists now know that certain things that humans do are causing this fast change in the climate. Before we talk about the human role in rapid climate change, let's learn about the ways the Earth is telling us it's warming up.